Rome's top 5 budget upgrades that actually improve performance. For beginners, tip 1. Need a dock? DIY it. Find a strong stepladder or some milk crates to use as an alternative. Just make sure the water drops deep enough before you jump. Tip 2. Put grip tape on your board. Keeping your hands in the exact same spot every time is super important for consistency. Cut small strips of grip tape and place them right where you normally hold the board. This trains your hands to grab it in the precise same position every single time before you take off. Plus, it gives you that extra grip when you need it most. Tip 3. Knee pads. Knee pads remove the pain and chafing from knee starts.
Rome TV! Go Alice!
So you stay out longer and progress way faster. Tip 4. Duct tape. Duct taping sweet spots will mark your perfect foot and mast positions, so you stop guessing your stance on every start. Tip 5. A tripod. A cheap phone tripod lets you film yourself so you can instantly spot and fix mistakes on the water. A small price to pay for progress.